Okay, I just got done playing basketball, like 4 games to 15, and I'm sweating, which is not going to be probably good. And I forgot that it gets dark earlier, so I have my dark visor on. I have sweat pouring down my forehead right now, but this is nice and cool. I think it's about 60. Dead. 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 This is gonna be cold. Good thing I got up at 5 o'clock this morning and put those bags out. Whoa, it's already cold. I think it's 45. And I do not have my big thick gloves. So now I'm sad. And my fingers are going to be freezing. I have a tiny bit of a headache because I didn't drink coffee at all yesterday. And I have this weird, like, low-level throbbing kind of headache. Like, I don't really get headaches, almost never. So it's got to be what it is. I had some this morning, but played basketball yesterday. And I didn't want to dehydrate because I dehydrated last week. This is kind of fun. I wish I had a GoPro like suction cup to the back. It'd be kind of cool and get like a shot of the leaves just blowing. It is so weird. This time of day, there is no one driving. My hand is getting cold. My other hand's down here, but this hand is getting cold. We shall go the slow way today. Speed limit is 30. I'm going 35, but I think my gauge is off a little bit. It's usually about 5 off. Not sure if that's because of a different tire than stock, because it does have a wider, flatter tire, and if it's flatter, it's spinning around more than a normal tire. But I'm pretty sure it's a mechanical thing. It's not a digital, you know, it's not a computer that can be programmed or whatever, so you basically just have to deal with it. Not sure that it can be adjusted. Even though it's cold, I feel like going fast through this and just suffer the consequences of we're at 60 right now. Yeah, it's when those pegs scrape is when it gets scary, because it's like I can't tip it anymore. It does it so easily. Now my hands are cold. Worth it! These guys are just standing around, drinking Mountain Dew, eating their breakfast sandwich. Just kidding, I know how construction is. You gotta wait on other people, and you can't do your thing till the other people do their thing, and you gotta have people who are specialized in their thing, and so I'm just joking. You know how I usually pull up on an intersection and there's like 12 guys watching one guy dig or something like that, you know? Poor guy. They're probably like, dig deeper, dig over here, you're holding the shovel wrong. Those are the best moments. They're really working though. I mean, there was guys way back there. Now there's some people here. I can see somebody up there. Must be pulling new fiber or something. The only bad thing about when it's cold is that tire is rock hard. It's not warm. So when I took off back there, she slid a little bit. The key is, as long as you can keep her up straight, keep the throttle in it, because you don't want to let off real quick and snap, you know? You just got to ride it out. SUV, 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 SUV. Mobile pet grooming. That's what neighborhood we're in right now. These are like $500,000 houses. Or more in this market. Probably $500,000 when they built them. Then they started building these. I haven't seen these on the right here. It's been a while since I've been through here, but little townhouses. That's kind of cool, because then you got this little business over here. You got it separating this little business area. Again, these buildings are new. This is giving a lot more opportunity for businesses here. I mean, there are a lot of little businesses here, and you're just going to double it. Oh, my blinker's on. How long has that been on? That's embarrassing. Don't go back and look at the video. Oh, that's a good feeling, cutting through that circle just like a knife through butter. A hot knife through butter. A hot knife through melted butter. A very sharp, glowing hot knife through melted butter. Well, my hands aren't doing too bad. They're cold, but sustainable. It's not getting worse and worse, you know. This might make them cold, though. Morning.
Chilly out there for a bike ride.
It is. Okay, I'm a little late. Had to record a podcast, then set up another camera and such. Whoa. Thankfully it's still 55, although it's getting dark fast. Man, I gotta really remember that. Although I'm not really gonna be riding anymore, but. So if you're watching this and you don't ride a motorcycle and you're wondering why motorcycles pull up right here, it's because you don't want to get rear-ended and then have to go, and then you just go into the back of the car in front of you. So I have an escape route. I can go up this middle if all of a sudden in my mirror I see flying debris. Sometimes I'll come up behind the car but just be at an angle. Always thinking about escape routes.